what's up guys? Today we're going to do some more unboxing videos. This here is just a big package I can send in the mail and I have no idea what it is, so I'm going to open it up with my cool flick knife I got from Walmart. And I can't do this in a second. How the hell do you do this one-handed? How the fuck do you open up? Wait, I've got this, you just come in the top. Nope, yes, wait, that's it, yes! Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll do a giveaway where I'll give you the plastic remainder of this packaging, which I will keep for number, I have no idea how many subs I've got, let's say 25 maybe. Whoever subs 25, mail me and you can get this empty plastic package. And what's in here I have no idea. Would you look at that? Holy shit, it's an exhaust manifold gasket for our Rover K series engine. And look at that, that's a Rover K series engine. Isn't that handy? I got this complete mystery in the post. Remember guys, sub every day for more amazing videos by me. PewDiePie. Does PewDiePie even do unboxing? I have no idea, I don't think he does. Cool Tech Channel 19, that's me. Yeah, sub to Cool Cool Check Tech Channel 19 for Czech related things like, I don't know what fuck Czech, Skodas and beer. And remember, 25th subscriber gets an empty plastic package which will sit here on top of this fuel tank, which is actually half full. You don't get the petrol, you just get this empty bit of plastic. Right lads, I'll see you next time. Remember to like, subscribe, comment and share to your friends. Because I'm a lazy bastard and can't be all on my own channel.
You're sells Avon. You're sells Avon. You're more punch council. You're more.